Hi, this is Maleenee. I want to take you on this really pretty and nice tour on this really beautiful day. It's a Friday afternoon, and when you walk in, you actually see a lot of the gardens that I made. And I really like lots of color. This is a place where it gets lots of sun, bright light, but filtered. As you see here, we have a fiberglass, so that gives you partial light. Let me go on this side here. It might be a little noisy here because I'm at the nursery and there's people talking and walking in, but this will be fun for us to do a nice little tour. This is our one of our rare sections here, and I'm going to go through a few or maybe several of the plants, but not all of them. These are the spiral. This is called Eulychnia Castanea spiralis. Beautiful Echinopsis. This gives a really pretty pink or white flowers, and it's native to Mexico. And we have other varieties here. Here we have more of the crested shapes. This one is a Trichoceros passionate crest. Really beautiful in this handmade pot. I had to be really careful here because I can get poked here. Almost got poked by these very sharp spines. Look at this one here. This one is also a crest. This is I think this is probably I think it's maybe a euphorbia crest, which is a poisonous plant. All euphorbias are poisonous. And let me go and take a look at here. See what we're doing here? We had to actually, we had a lot of plants that fell down during the windstorm. So decided to paint this with a nice varnish with a nice seal first, and then they paint this over so it looks almost brand new. We're going to put a lot of new rare plants here. As you walk through here, you see a lot of the succulents here. These are in 4-inch containers. We have so many varieties here. Let me go on the other side too. You can see some of our varieties here. We have the 6-inch varieties, and we have on the other side are the 4-inch varieties. And this is Echinopsis. We try to group a lot of the plants where they can have similar care. It's Echinopsis. These are the crown of thorns. They like also bright light. They're not blooming right now. As you can see, I have a few blooms, so they hopefully will start blooming again sometime in the summer. So we have a lot of the 6-inch varieties here that, again, are compatible. A lot of them are a variety of Echeverias, pretty rosettes. And then this here, these are aloe aristata or lace aloe. And these are great for the if you have like low light. This is a very popular plant. This is the Haworthia or zebra plant. Let me go and check around here. This is a very fun, just a casual tour I wanted to take you to. These are a lot of the 4-inch varieties. This bright, beautiful camphor. This needs lots of sun. That's why it makes it nice and red. So a lot of 4-inch varieties, we try to keep it all the same size. So when you come in, you go, oh, great. I'm looking for just a 4-inch succulent, not too small, but not too large. You want to see it grow. We have a lot of different varieties all mixed together. Here are the Christmas cactus. These are all finished blooming. We might have a few buds, but they're pretty much done blooming. And these are really pretty still because you can still have the nice green looking leaves, and you can grow these all year round. We have more varieties here with pretty purple heart. Really pretty. I like that. And this is a ghost plant. So I kind of wanted to show you this really fun nursery we have here. If you ever get a chance to visit us in Pasadena, California, we'd really love to meet you someday. I'll put more information about our nursery and some of these plants in the description below. Thanks so much for watching.